Are you considering a bald look or seeking the perfect shaver for your head? Discover the best bald head shavers on the market that combine efficiency, comfort, and quality. In this video, we'll explore the best bald head shaver models, highlighting their features, ease of use, and unique benefits. From versatile rotary shavers to straight edge options, find out which ones deliver the closest shave with minimal irritation. Join us as we help you achieve that smooth, clean look with confidence. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis on our website, AllAboutTheBEST.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Let's get started with the list. Number 5. Wyklaus Head Shaver 7D. Our pick for best budget bald head shaver. Looking for a shaver that can revolutionize your grooming routine? Meet the Wyklaus Head Shaver, a powerhouse featuring 7 heads, the most on the market. If you're all about efficiency, this shaver will quickly become your favorite tool, significantly cutting down your shaving time while delivering a super smooth finish on your scalp. Having tested the Wyklaus for over a month, we can confidently say that the 7-headed design is a game changer. The robust motor ensures a close and fast shave, nearly halving our typical shaving duration. However, it's worth noting that this design does come with a bulkier build, which makes it less portable compared to slimmer options. While the added shave heads enable quicker shaves, the bulk can make maneuvering around certain areas, like behind your ears, a bit trickier. If your main goal is sheer speed and a polished look, this won't be a deal breaker for you. And although this shaver is primarily designed for the head, it does come with a cleansing brush and a pre-shave exfoliating tool, making it ideal for achieving that slick, shiny dome while taking care of your scalp's health. Experience a new level of grooming efficiency with the Wyklaus. Number 4. Remington Shortcut Pro Self Haircut. Kit our pick for best versatile bald head shaver. If you're not into the ultra smooth shave but still want to rock a stylish buzz cut without frequent trips to the barber, the Shortcut Pro is here to help. This versatile shaver comes with interchangeable combs, allowing you to experiment with various lengths and discover a buzz look that suits you best. One of the standout features of the Shortcut Pro is its compact size, making it perfect for your travel kit. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a business trip, this shaver fits easily into your DOP kit. While it may take a moment to adjust to its unique feel, you'll soon appreciate its ability to deliver a solid buzz cut while minimizing nicks and cuts. It's important to note that the Shortcut Pro is ideal for achieving a stubbly look rather than a super close shave. Though its design may not be as ergonomic as some similar models, it's user-friendly and straightforward once you're comfortable using it. However, the curved design can pose a challenge when detailing around your ears or neck. For those precise touch-ups, a traditional clipper might be a better option. Still, the convenience and ease of use the Shortcut Pro offers make it a fantastic addition to your grooming routine. Still looking for the perfect bald head shavers to suit your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Freebird FlexSeries Pro. Our pick for best value bald head shaver. At first glance, the rectangular design of the FlexSeries Pro may catch you off guard, especially if you're accustomed to traditional shavers like the Skull Shaver. With its 2 grooves for a firm grip, the Skull Shaver has a familiar feel. However, the FlexSeries Pro's anti-slip coating and rubberized grips provide a secure hold, making it a breeze to use. After a few uses, I quickly adjusted to the unique shape, finding that it nestled comfortably in my palm. One of the standout features of this shaver is its 4 independently flexing rotary blades. This innovative design marks a significant upgrade over the standard Freebird FlexSeries, allowing for an exceptionally close shave. With an impressive 90 minutes of runtime, the FlexSeries Pro rivals the Pitbull Gold Pro and features a handy 3 LED charge indicators, each dot representing 33% of the battery life. Its large hair collection chamber makes cleanup effortless, and the blade release cog simplifies maintenance. My experience with the FlexSeries Pro has been nothing short of enjoyable. The blades glide smoothly over my scalp, providing quick shaves, often within just 2 minutes on short stubble. If the FlexSeries Pro aligns with your shaving needs and budget, I wholeheartedly recommend giving it a try. You might just find your new favorite head shaver. Number 2. Panasonic ARC5. Our pick for best premium bald head shaver. The Panasonic ARC5 is an excellent alternative to the Braun Series 9, and it's worth considering if you're in the market for a quality shaver. One of the standout features of the ARC5 is its affordability. You can find older models like the ESLV 65S or ESLV 67K at significantly lower prices, yet they still deliver impressive performance. If you're aiming for that perfectly smooth, shiny bald look, the ARC5 truly excels in providing an exceptional exceptionally close shave. Many users appreciate this aspect, especially for achieving a sleek finish. However, it's important to note that the Arc 5 can feel a bit more aggressive, particularly when shaving the nape of the neck. While it tends to be gentle elsewhere on the head, those with sensitive skin might want to be cautious. The Arc 5 features a large 5-blade head, but this can limit its range of motion compared to the Bronze Series 9. You might find that it requires a few extra passes, especially on more textured areas like the occipital ridge. It doesn't conform quite as effortlessly as the Series 9, meaning that achieving a perfectly smooth result may take a bit more time and effort. Overall, the Arc 5 is a versatile choice, particularly if you frequently shave your head. With its excellent closeness and competitive pricing, it's a strong contender for your grooming toolkit. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Skull Shaver Pitbull Gold. Pro our pick for best bald head shaver overall. Say goodbye to razor burn. Skull Shaver's Pitbull Gold Pro redefines your shaving routine. This masterpiece excels as the best bald head shaver overall, combining comfort and precision. You'll love the ergonomic design. It fits perfectly in your hand, allowing easy maneuvering around tricky areas. Whether you're shaving your head or touch-ups on your face, this device makes it effortless. Additionally, advanced Pro Blade technology enhances every shave. Made from premium Japanese stainless steel, these blades ensure quality lasts. You'll find that other models can't compare in terms of durability and sharpness. Versatile shaving options put you in control. Choose between a wet shave in the shower or a quick dry shave. IPX5 water-resistant technology means you won't fear getting it wet. This flexibility suits even the busiest lifestyles. Power stands out with 90 minutes of cordless use. The lithium-ion battery lasts long enough for several shaves. It's perfect for those on-the-go moments. LED displays make monitoring battery life straightforward. Know when it's time to recharge, so you're never left hanging. Imagine a flexible rotary head adjusting to your face contours. This shaver delivers a close, irritation-free shave every time. Sensitive skin? No problem. Blades are hypoallergenic, minimizing any discomfort. One minor drawback is cleaning the blades can seem tricky initially. However, removable blades make maintenance easier. Every feature of the Pitbull Gold Pro positions it as a game changer in grooming. Check it out and elevate your shaving experience. So, that wraps up our list of the best bald head shavers. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which bald head shavers you like the most. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.